katta is the past tense of the verb 買う which means to buy. Katta is the past tense of the verb 刈る which means to mow or cut hair with clippers. 買う and 刈る are the different verbs, but their past tenses sound the same. 買った、買った、買った、買った。There's no difference between them. Anyway, if you use scissors for cutting your hair, we say 髪を切る. If you use clippers, we call it バリカン. To cut your hair, we say 髪を刈る. 髪を切る, 髪を刈る. Here's an example which happened in my family. When I was playing the TV game, my brother came home. 今日髪を刈った. So I asked him without watching him. どんな髪を刈ったの? Then I saw him and I understood I made a mistake. あ、髪を刈ったんじゃなくて、髪を刈ったのね。You know, 髪 which means hair, 紙 which means paper. They sound the same. Even Japanese native speakers make such kind of mistakes, so don't worry about the pitch accent too much. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。